awesome day to you. Welcome back to my channel, and Esmeralda here, and today we're up for another video, and this video is something very new to me because I'm going to use one brand for a full face makeup. So if you're interested, make sure first to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to keep you updated and for more tutorials in transformations. So if you're interested, so let's go now into the video. Okay, to start off, I'm going to use this foundation, matte full coverage foundation, SG13. Sampler size lang yung binili ko so that if ever na hindi siya maganda, okay lang. But if it's beautiful, I can get a bigger one. I like this one because it's a travel size and very convenient for me to use, especially when I go out of town. It's in the shade number 10, Pecan. I guess this is my shade. This is not for Focallure. I didn't buy a sponge from them. I forgot if they have one, but I'll just use mine available now. And apply foundation with the use of a sponge on my skin. Okay. I like the shade because it's a bit darker than me. Parang so tan. I choose so tan. When you do your makeup, always start with a clean face. Mas malinis yung makeup mo if you start with a clean face, right? The shade is a bit darker for me. Okay, I got a shade darker than my skin. Look, sa neck ko, compare mo yung neck ko and yung face ko, medyo dark siya. The coverage is very nice. It's medium to full coverage. Hindi siya light. Pero yung mga imperfections ko medyo na-cover rin. And also, my uneven skin tone. Oh my god. I'm actually impressed with their foundation. The shade, it's too dark, but it's fine. I can work with it. So after the liquid foundation, I'm going to proceed with my powder. It's in the shade number 2, pressed powder. Wow, the packaging is good. And here it is. It comes with a mirror. So let's go. I'm just going to use my brush to set my foundation. After setting your foundation with a powder, let's proceed now to the brows. Just going to use the Autobrows pen from, of course, Focallure. I'm just going to use my spoolie because I don't know if they're selling their brows or their brushes, but spaces. I have some iced coffee here. After you're done with the brows, clean it up with, I'm just going to clean it up with a foundation that I use since I didn't purchase any concealer. Okay, with a flat brush, use this to clean up your brow. After you're done with the brows, let's go to the eyeshadow. I'm going to use this We Care Your Favors 18 Shades Full Function palette of Focallure. The packaging is really good because it is really secured, and this is how it looks like inside. Okay, wow, the shades are really good. So I'd like to start off with the shade Salmon. Always start with a light shade so that you can go over it. Just you can play with a little and just add more and more until you're satisfied. To add a little bit warmth on my eyes, that Sophie shade, which is like a burgundy color. Always use a clean brush. Using a clean brush should make your eye shadow really good. It's on the shade Carbon. You have that little smoky effect. Eyeshadow, I want to cover it up and I want to make a cut crease makeup look. So I'm just going to use the same foundation to have with cutting the crease with the powder. I want to set it with this one, this shade Moonlight. Yeah, liquid eyeliner. I'm going to use this intense liquid eyeliner from Focallure to do my cut eye. The lighting is so good, good, good. Go now to the eyelashes. After I'm done with the eyelashes and my eyeshadow, I want to use this glitter liner for my eyes. Platinum. I'm going to use this red one blusher. I'm so impressed with this and I'm very, very excited to use this on my blush and of course on my lips. Okay. So after you're done with the blush, go of course with your nose line. Okay, go more a little bit to give a little bit more definition on your nose. Highlight, just use this one. And for my lips, I just use the same blusher that I got from Focallure. I'm going to use this on my lips because I wasn't able to get a lipstick from their page. So I'm going to use this one.